Heating our homes properly can be a challenge, especially for many older people. This is Carnvue Court, Alpha Housing's bungalow scheme on Carnmoney Hill in Newton Abbey. It's a great location, but it's colder than most of Northern Ireland, and some of our tenants struggle to heat their homes. That's why Alpha has recently improved insulation in the 25 bungalows here. And now, we're pleased to be partnering with Phoenix Energy and Refresh to pilot hybrid heat pumps at Carnvue Court. We believe this is the first such installation by a Northern Ireland housing association. Hybrid heat pumps have the potential to allow tenants to effectively heat their homes while reducing gas use and associated carbon emissions. 2 households here have agreed to have the systems fitted in their bungalows. These installations are part of a fully monitored trial that's evaluating the potential of hybrid heating systems within the social housing sector.
We're excited to be working with Alpha Housing and Phoenix Energy in installing these new hybrid heating systems. Hybrid heat pumps are the future-proofed and reliable alternative to traditional heating systems. They offer a home heating solution that provides energy security, lower energy bills, and a warmer, more comfortable home.
Hybrid heat pumps combine an air source heat pump with a gas boiler for backup heat generation and instant hot water. They can significantly reduce a household's energy consumption, valuably contributing to reductions in carbon emissions while keeping the home as warm as before. Hybrid systems are much cheaper to install than full air source heat pumps. They use existing pipework, don't require any immediate upgrading of insulation, nor do they need a hot water storage tank. Hybrid heat pumps have the potential to valuably contribute to NI's just transition to a net zero future.
The Alpha heat pump's running very quietly, you would hardly know it's there. We're hoping it'll save us some money on the fuel bills and keep the house warmer.
Alpha Housing has committed to reduce our greenhouse gas emissions by 30% by 2030. We're starting to install solar PV panels to heat communal areas. But having installed efficient combi boilers in most of our homes over the last 20 years, Alpha tenants are keen to continue to benefit from all the advantages of gas central heating. So decarbonising the Northern Ireland gas network and combining this with increasing use of hybrid heat pumps and other renewable technologies makes sense to Alpha and our tenants. And assuming it's a success, Alpha Housing hopes to pioneer the rollout of hybrid heat pumps across Northern Ireland in the years ahead.